Struggling with dropdowns that take forever to scroll? Long dropdowns frustrate users, increase form drop-offs, and hurt your conversions. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to make long lists fast, clean, and user-friendly using Outgrow's simple, no-code tools to capture more qualified leads. Here's what a great dropdown experience looks like. It loads quickly, groups data logically, and helps users find what they need in seconds. Outgrow creators who optimize their dropdowns for long lists see smoother user flows and faster completion times, boosting engagement and conversions. Here is step-by-step guide how to reduce friction and boost completions. Outgrow's no-code tools. Step 1, log in to dashboard. Log in to your Outgrow dashboard and select the calculator, quiz, assessment, poll, survey, etc. based on your audience and business niche. Step 2, select a new template or optimize existing template. You have the option to optimize questions in your existing template or create a new one. You can start from scratch, choose a pre-built template, or click on the Start with AI option and describe what you're looking for along with details about your business. Step 3, question selection. Select the question type. For example, drop down where you can add options either manually or by uploading a CSV file. If you're unsure about the format, you can download a sample CSV and add your items accordingly. You can also preview your CSV data by clicking the Preview CSV button. Step 4, preview. Preview your experience to ensure that your dropdown loads quickly and looks clean across all devices. And that's it. In under 5 minutes, you've turned a long, clunky list into a smooth, efficient dropdown that improves user experience and completion rates. Cleaner UX, faster responses, and higher conversions, all from one simple tweak. Try Outgrow free today and start building interactive experiences that convert.